So why the New Year's resolution really doesn't work? Because those goals you set or action item that you make, it's not significant enough. It's not in alignment with your purpose. It's not worthwhile enough to make commitment to overcome your older version of yourself to be the newer version. So the goal that you make may not be related to your purpose, or it could be your purpose, but maybe that you are not really aware of that it's related to your purpose. So I want you to take a look at what you have been making as a New Year's resolution, or even in the middle of a year, what you make as a goal. Is it really significant enough for you? So let me just give you an example, okay? So we have our soul or true self, and then there's an ego self, that false self or not true self. Both have desire. But if we are not paying attention to who is talking, your true self or your soul talking as this is the life purpose, the purpose of your existence, very existence, why you do things, or ego talking, so false self, the idea of yourself talking, and it may not be really the purpose of why you exist. So I just made a list of 3 things. So number 1 is what is important to me. So I want you to also think about what is important to me and then make a list of things, okay? Just like I mentioned, what is really important to me is living a spiritual life, living emotionally rich life, and I have a physical strength. So, and then the second question to ask for yourself with this New Year's resolution is, why is it important to you? Why? Why do you have to do it? Yeah. So then, if I use my examples, spiritual life, because I want to grow and complete my soul or my true self. Yeah, by taking actions daily, which is actually serving people. Yeah. So for me, serving people, it gives me that joy, and even I fall down sometimes, even if I experience something really difficult and challenging through different relationship or whatever, but I can once again look at my vision and why I do it, and then continuously I can take action. Yeah. So this is what I need to do, is my job, exact job what I'm doing, like I'm sharing this film with you. So also second item was live emotionally rich life. Yeah. So why I want to do that? Because that engages me, that gives me passion for life, that gives me joy through opening my heart, that helps me to be from small love or small self to bigger self or bigger love. So I can choose that bigger love no matter what is happening in my life. So it's this vision of mine, the New Year's resolution or the vision of mine is empowering me, my inner self. Yeah. And so with that, I make vision or action item. So for example, I will heal my past wounds by doing such and such. Okay, so I will do my healing work and then heal myself and love myself. So I can make all this action item what I need to do. So this one I can stick with it, because this relates to, again, my purpose. Yeah, I want to have bigger love and to share. I want to share that big love to other people. Yeah. And then lastly, I said physically strong. So why? So physically strong is what is important to me. And then I can ask why. Why is it important? Yeah. So then what I feel, why it's important, because that physical strength, physical power support my spiritual growth, support me to have muscle for my spiritual strength. So that's why I want to build my muscle. And also, whenever I have a stuck energy inside, when I work out and then sweat and working on the building on my muscle, even mine is not like really pumping muscle and then building a lot. But for me, really sweating and then also building my muscle in a way that I can grow gradually. With that, it can release my old pattern of my habits or thoughts or emotions, and I can move forward with fresh mind to continue to go on with my purpose and what I need to do. So that's why physical strength is important. And then again, I make action item. So I do pull up a lot. Yeah. So when I began, it was like 10. Now I can do 40. Like that. So I can gradually increase it, and I'm celebrating each day. And then sometimes it's surprising, like I couldn't do before, and then now I can do this many. It was so hard before. So I keep celebrating with my result. So you could do something like that. Yeah. So once again, what is important to you? And then second, why is it important to you? And then third, you make the action item based on it. And I guarantee you, you can stick around with it.